Off we go on our model control. We start off by looking at the line plots. Excel has a bug, so it doesn't do it very nice, so we delete the red ones and are left with the blue dots. Click on it, right click at the trend line, and we see that it seems that the number of sales, ice cream sales, nicely follows temperature as a line. We look at the number of guest line plot. Again, the same thing. Click on the red dots, delete them. Click on the blue dots, get a line in there. Here we see the number of guests follow, or the ice cream sales follows the number of guests very nicely. We see these two lumps here. This is because, of course, day off and not day off. That is why we had this significance with the day off, because number of guests definitely marked with the day off. So here, this is probably not day off, and this is day off, more guests. But anyways, we can see a growth line of ice cream sales with more guests. So now we go for the residual check. Temperature plot. Looks nice, no pattern and no rise in variance. We look at the guest residual plot. As expected, two lumps, but again, nicely, no real pattern that cannot be explained. And no variance change. And now we just go for straight for the residual here, and we want to check them for normality. So we go for data analysis, rank and percentile as usual, and just mark the residuals. Labels in the first row, okay. Delete column C, mark it, the data, insert scatter plot, and put in a line. We see that the residuals follow this line very nicely, no sort of like pattern or anything, just scattered around the line, so we can assume normality. So that was the first part of our model control.